Let's solve this previous year question of CAT 2017, which is on time and work. It's given that a person can complete a job in 120 days. He works alone on day 1. On day 2, he is joined by another person who can also complete the job in exactly 120 days. That means the efficiencies of both the person are same. On day 3, they are joined by another person of equal efficiency. Like this, every day a new person with the same efficiency joins the work. How many days are required to complete the job? So this is a pretty easy question. Like, you need to know a concept, that is, if a person, like, it's given that a person can complete a job in 120 days. So if any person, that is, let's assume X completes a job in 120 days. So what is his efficiency? Efficiency, that is the 1 day work. What is the efficiency? Efficiency is nothing but 1 upon 120. That is the reciprocal of the days. So let's write on day 1. On day 1, how much work is done? That is 1 upon 120. Now on day 2, how much work is done? The first person is doing a 1 upon 120 plus the another person is also doing 1 upon 120. On day 3, the first person 1 by 120, the second person 1 by 120, and the third person also joined, that is doing 1 upon 120. Now like this it will go on for like day 4 4%, day 5 5%, and they have to complete the job. That means the total work that needs to be done is nothing but 1 unit. Okay, the total work that needs to be done is 1 unit. So what will we do is that if we add like day 1 work of day 1, work done on day 1, work done on day 2, and work done on day 3, plus work done on day n, and that should be equal to how much? 1. This is the main logic behind it, and we need to calculate the value of n, that is the how many days are taken to complete the work. Now what is the first day work? It is 1 upon 120. Okay, and day 2 work, it's 1 upon 120 into 2 plus 1 upon 120 into 3 plus 1 upon 120 into n, and this goes on. So what if we common out 120, 1 upon 120, and we are left with 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 till n, which is equals to 1. Or we can write this as nothing but n into n plus 1 divided by 2 into 120, because we have a formula for summation of 1 plus 2 plus dot 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 till n is nothing but n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So we'll solve this equation further, and we'll get n into n plus 1 into 24, 240. Now you can try to figure out this, or you can solve the equation. Like if we try to solve 20 into 21, it will give us 420. So this is very large, it cannot be. If 10 into 11, this will give us 110, so this cannot be the value. Let's solve it. 14 into 15 will give us 210. So what 16 into 15, 16 into 10, and 16 5 is 80. Yes, so this gives us 240. So this is 15, n is 15, and n plus 1 would be 16, and this gives us 240. So n is what? Nothing but 15. So the answer for this question is 15 days. How many days are required to complete the job? That is 15 days.